Welcome. Hey, who does not like French toast? And who doesn't like grilled cheese? Well, in this case, grilled ham and cheese. Hi, I'm Arnie, and this is Arnie Jacobson TV, and we talk travel, we talk cameras, we talk accessories, and lately we talk food, cooking, so to speak. Today we're making a savory grilled ham and cheese French toast. It sounds great. Let's get started. So what are you going to need? Well, you're going to need 6 eggs. You're going to need some salt. You're going to need, and to be specific, ½ teaspoon of salt. You're going to need 2 teaspoons of sugar. You're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of ground turmeric, and you're going to need a teaspoon of garlic and a teaspoon of onion. I ran out of little fancy little cup things, so I mixed those together already. You're also going to need some bread. In this case, I'm using brioche. And we're going to make 3 sandwiches here, and I'm going to use 2 types of cheese. We're going to use a Gouda and a medium cheddar, as well as some ham. And you're going to need some. I'm using whole milk. Maybe you could get by with using, I don't know, 2% or something. I don't know. I'm going to try it with the whole milk. So let's do this. We'll mix in our spices. It's 100 milliliters of milk going in. We'll whisk it all together. And for some reason a candle just fell off the fireplace mantle. Not sure what. House isn't old enough for ghosts. Wow, it smells interesting. Never made a savory French toast before, so this could be an interesting taste sensation. Put a slice of the cheddar, and we'll put a couple slices of ham on. Whoops, forgot the Gouda. And now we're just going to dip the bread in, coating it well. So we'll dip this in here, get it nice and coated on all sides. Smells great. Whenever turmeric coming through, the butter, the eggs. Look at that, does that look great? Let that go on the other side for a little bit. Let the cheese melt. Get all gooey. Looking good. Cheese is nicely melted, not too much. That's tasty. Not as much like French toast because we're not, no syrup and stuff like that. It's more like a really fancy.
That brioche bread really sets it off.
You heard it. The brioche really is nice. It's a good flavor. Love it. Okay. I'm going to sit down and enjoy this. Have to try this savory French toast, grilled ham and cheese. Hey, if you like this kind of stuff, make sure to subscribe. Click that big red subscribe button. Click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever we put up new content. Leave us a comment. Share it. Thanks so much for stopping by. We'll see you next time.